Hi, Olivia from MacKeeper here. I'm going to show you how to install fonts on a Mac using FontBook. We recommend you start with the pre-installed FontBook app. Here's how to install fonts on your Mac account only. Open Finder and locate the folder with the previously downloaded Mac font. In this folder, find a file ending with TTF or TTC or OTF and double-click on it. This will automatically open FontBook. In the pop-up window, click Install Font. Voila! This is all it takes to install a new font for your Mac account. To install fonts for all accounts on a Mac, open Finder or Spotlight, search for FontBook and launch it. At the top corner, click on the App menu bar and choose FontBook Preferences. Use the drop-down to change the default location from user to computer. Find and open the folder that has the new font you want to add. In this folder, double-click on a file ending with TTF or TTC or OTF. On the FontBook pop-up window, click the Install Font button. Great! You'll be able to use a new font from any account on your Mac. How to install fonts on a Mac manually. Instead of using FontBook, you can easily do this manually by copying font files to library/fonts. Unfortunately, starting from OS X 10.7 line, the library folder and its subfolders have been hidden from users' sight, so you'll need some extra effort to locate it. Open Finder and click on the Go section in the upper menu. Select Go to Folder in the drop-down menu and click on it. Type ~library/fonts in the pop-up window and click Go. The font folder will show up. Copy and paste or drag and drop all the unzipped font files to the fonts folder. Great! Now you know how to add Mac fonts manually too. If you'd like a little extra help installing these fonts, get MacKeeper and contact our support team. We'd love to help. I'm Olivia from MacKeeper and thanks for watching.